What's up, you guys? It's your girl Rayanne Samantha, and in today's video we are going to be doing some Christmas baking with my grandma and the girls' great grandmother, so my mom and my grandmother. So yeah, if you guys aren't already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell so you know when we post new videos. But yeah, if you guys want to follow us on our little baking adventure today, then definitely keep on watching. Say hi, girls.
Hi.
Whose house are we going to? Gigi and Mom. So yeah, let's just get out this car. You guys might see this might look familiar because this is the end of the previous vlog, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get out this car, get baking, and so that we can get back to our house, get these girls showered and changed and ready for bed because this mama is tired. I'm gonna bake cookies.
I'm gonna make cookies.
I'm gonna make cookies.
I'm gonna make cookies.
One thing, they know we're coming and they always leave the door locked. Whoa, it looks like Christmas in here.
Is it Christmas now? Is it Christmas now?
It will be soon.
Whoa, look at the house.
Whoa! Mama, what's the Christmas tree?
Wow.
Gigi,
Let's see.
do you have a Christmas necklace?
Hi,
Do
Mom.
you have a Christmas necklace like that one on your head?
Good. Oh, it looks like Christmas in here. You guys want to see me when I was... This is me and my brothers. This is also me and my little big bros. This is me on my graduating picture from high school. I know I look like a kid. Actually, I don't even know if that's from high school. Actually, yeah, it is. And that's me up there with my mom.
Mama,
Oh, these are
Christmas.
so cute.
Mama, Christmas.
Pardon?
Christmas.
I know, it looks like Christmas in here.
Christmas.
Hi, Mom.
You think you're so smart?
I don't know.
You think you're so
It's a
slick?
gingerbread man.
Look at gingerbread man.
See?
I'm gonna make that one and a star one. Okay. I'm gonna
And
make.
this is a little star.
I'll make a little. I'm
Okay, let
gonna
me get
make
the flour. And this is a small
tree.
Christmas.
Christmas tree. I'll get this one.
Okay, let us get together now.
Yeah, I wanna do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, a snowflake. And the gingerbread. I'm gonna make those.
So what do we have to get, girls? What do you think? What do you think we need to bake? We need chicken?
No.
Do we need...
Cake.
Do we need
Butter.
sugar?
No. Yeah.
Yeah, we need sugar.
Okay, open it.
Okay, Mom's gonna get the sugar. Do we need... What else do you need? What did Rain say we need?
Butter.
Butter. What
We
else?
have butter.
What else do we need, Mom?
Cookie makers.
Cookie cutters.
We have cookies. Yeah, maybe we need something, but we have milk.
We have some milk and cream and
Flour.
flour.
Yeah, and we made a mix it all up and put it in the oven.
You're
And
right.
wait until it makes.
Wait until it bakes.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No,
You don't like what?
I don't like it.
What you don't like?
I don't know. She's just talking. Doesn't want you to fall. Sit down.
Mommy, do you like my favorite choices?
I like those choices.
Which
Raylan,
one?
what's your choice?
She got the Christmas tree, and a little small star and a big star.
Ooh, I like those, Ray. Those are good choices. Those are good choices. Well, so what kind of cookies are you making, Mom?
I wanted to make this just a regular cookie.
Are we making sugar cookies?
Sugar cookie.
That's what we're making?
That is what I wanted to make, but it's already a recipe.
Mommy, I'm gonna
Oh.
So
eat
now I
the
have
snowflake.
to call them
YouTube it.
to get it. I mean, have to go into I just have to Google. I do bread now.
Yeah.
Why are you mashing up the house? house. Ray Ray.
Ray, Mama's talking to you.
Why are you mashing up the house?
Ah, don't do that.
Rain, pull up your pants, Mama. Over there. Mom, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm writing it down.
Oh, okay.
I had it and I don't know what I did with it. Okay, dokie.
You ready, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay, Mom's ready.
Yes, Mom, ready. I'm ready.
Huh?
What's first in the ingredients?
What's in the ingredients?
No, what's first in the ingredients?
What ingredient is first, she's saying?
What ingredient is first? I thought I heard the word ingredients. Butter and sugar.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay?
I'm happy.
You're happy? What are you happy about?
Making.
You're making cookies?
You are growing up a big girl. So you see, you are happy, right?
Yeah.
Are you happy, Ray Ray? Why?
Because she's not a big.
Why are you not happy, baby?
Don't do
Ray Ray's
that.
getting
You're
tired.
ready to fight for stuff.
She's ready, but she is.
Raylan?
Raylan.
Raylan, what are you upset about?
Raylan, can you push it? I got toys.
Yeah, we need butter, but we can start with sugar.
Sugar first. Okay, let's do sugar.
Okay, I'll take it away.
Where's the sugar?
Right in the white. Oops.
It's a bit heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
No, it's a bit heavy.
Okay, Ray, you want to do the sugar?
Yep. I want to do sugar too.
You want to do the butter? Who wants to do the butter?
Me.
Okay.
I'll do sugar.
And you'll do the sugar?
So how many cups of sugar do we need?
We need 3/4 cups.
You need 2.
3/4 cups.
No, 2.
No,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
Are you sure?
That's what the recipe says, man.
Are you sure?
You have to go by the recipe, baby. One thing with bacon, a bread, you can roll it out and do whatever you want with it. With cookies and cake, you have to follow the instruction.
That's why I don't like to bake.
Yeah. Bacon, you have to
Hey,
follow the
Gigi.
instruction.
Say hi to the YouTube universe.
Hey. Oh, maybe I could use
Say hi to Mom too.
Oh, Mom, say hi.
Mom, say
Hi.
Gigi,
Yes, baby.
I like the plants. Those ones up there.
What pants?
That's called garlic.
Garlic?
Garlic.
It's garlic.
That's that.
This?
Yeah.
It's the green thing?
Yeah.
And now, yeah, you're right. Now you have to mix it.
That's what
So you
I
have to
can.
put this
Sit down.
here.
Oh, Mama has a mixer. That's a cool machine, and it mixes it all up.
I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat all of it.
You gonna eat it all?
I'm gonna eat these ones before Raylan tries to eat it. So let's go.
Raylan, take your hands out. No, take your hands out.
That's okay. She washed her hand, right?
Yeah, she did.
You have to pull this down. And what happens now?
It makes fast.
You see, you know.
Look, Raylan. Say cheese.
Don't
Look,
put your finger now.
look, girls. Look, Mom. Stop moving, Rain. Rain, stop moving. Look, Mom.
Wanna dance?
Move around and around, Raylan.
You have to wait now until it gets really, it blends together so you're not seeing any sugar.
The sugar is-
Stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. You put it here and then you put it in the fridge to get a little bit chilly. And then we're going to cut out the cookies.
Then we'll make it into cookies. Hot chocolate.
Happy hot chocolate, and by the time you finish, you'll have to come back to this.
So you have to put it in the fridge after, Mom?
Not cold enough.
Then I could do those.
It's not cold enough.
Yeah, we need to cool a bit more.
It should be a little colder than cold enough.
It's not that cold.
So we only made 2 because don't touch it's hot. Yeah, we're gonna come back and make some more.
That actually looks really good.
You make a lot more.
Good job, Raylan. Good job, Rain. Rain.
Delicious.
Pardon?
Delicious.
It was delicious? Okay, it's delicious.
No, I said delicious.
I know, I heard you. You said what?
Delicious.
Delicious. It was delicious.
That's her word.
How was yours, Raylan?
Good.
Good.
Good. Good.
It's delicious and good. What's up, you guys? I ended up leaving. I'm finally home. I am exhausted, but the girls wanted to stay at my mom's house, so they slept over, and I'm gonna go pick them up in the morning because Rain also has online school in the morning. So I'm gonna wake up early and pick them up, but for now I'm probably just gonna clean up for a little bit, organize some stuff, and then go to bed because your girl is tired. Today's baking thing didn't really go as planned because my grandma was tired, which is fine. It was really just about the time spent. So yeah, we are actually gonna redo or do some more baking again on Monday. Today is Thursday, so yeah, we're going to do some more baking. I want the girls to do some sort of Trini baking dish, so I'm thinking they might do currants roll with my grandmother and some other sort of cookies. But yeah, it was really just all about time spent. I really believe in family and the importance of my girls spending time with their great-grandmother and their grandmother. So yeah, it's okay that the baking didn't go as planned. They made their 2 cookies and they loved it. That's all that really matters. So yeah, I am gonna say bye for now. But if you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button and comment down below what we should cook. If you guys are Trini or you just have some suggestions on what we should bake on Monday, then definitely let us know. And also let us know some other ideas that you guys have for for Vlogmas. But yeah, I'm rambling and I'm super tired, so I'm going to say bye for now. Toodles, you guys.